If you want to move data to the secure folder or from the secure folder on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then first of all we need to open the secure folder. Of course, enter the password in order to continue to access the secure folder. Now in here, if you want to add something to the secure folder, if you want to move files to the secure folder, you can use this plus button in the bottom right corner and you can choose add files. And then in here from this list you can choose whatever should be transferred to the secure folder, and then you should be able to find everything in the files app in here. You can also tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to manage files, and then here we have add to secure folder, which is pretty much the same thing. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this app over here. We also have the option to copy instead of moving or transferring, but in this case I'm just gonna completely move the selected file. There we go. Of course, we can select and transfer multiple files at once. After selecting all files that you want to transfer, you can just choose select here in the upper right corner. You can also use these three lines in order to find some other categories that you might want to use. Now, if you want to transfer something from the secure folder outside of it, then we have this option here, transfer from secure folder, and the rest is pretty much the same. We just choose whatever we want to move from the secure folder, and you also have the option to move or copy. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.